Being young adults, we aren't really worried about what we eat, right? We are young, and everyone tells us that what we eat right now isn't important because it won't have an effect on us later. What if I told you that they were wrong? Just because the effects won't show right now doesn't mean that it isn't leaving any. Eating a balanced diet can be more beneficial than most people think, and I'm going to explain how. By the end of this speech, I hope that you have learned how a balanced diet affects your body in different ways. I have done various research on how a balanced diet not only affects your body, but your mind as well. I go to the gym very often, so I have to make sure that I am eating right, and this is what got me interested in the topic in the first place. First, I'm going to tell you how it can affect your physical health. Second, I'm going to tell you how it can help your mental health and the effects that it leaves. Lastly, I will tell you how a balanced diet can keep you healthier throughout your lifetime. A balanced diet is crucial for physical health. Eating correctly is what makes your body function the way that it is supposed to. I took this quote from the Professional Medical Journey. Fast transform of diet forms and living styles which convey significant adjustment in general health. Balance between the energy consumption and energy expenditure has been conveyed underneath ever-evolving proposals for good health. A balanced diet is what produces energy for the body, so without it you will feel more tired. I learned that by working out because when I don't eat enough and then I go to the gym, I get more fatigued faster. Also, living in a pandemic, it is important to have a stronger immune system. An article from Frontiers in Public Health stated, a balanced optimal diet strengthens the immune response and functions of the immune cells not only by producing an effective response against pathogens. The correct nutrition can promote the functions of the immune system to prevent any illnesses. So a way to avoid COVID is to make sure that you are getting all the vitamins and minerals that your body needs in your diet. Therefore, eating a balanced diet is something that everyone should be thinking about. Now we can move on to how it can improve your mental health as well. It might surprise you to find out that the right food and diet can improve your mental health. According to an article by European Neuropsychopharmacology, while the determining factors of mental health are complex, increasing evidence indicates a strong association between a poor diet and the exacerbation of mood disorders, including anxiety and depression as well as other neuropsychiatric disorders. This means that your mental health is affected by what you eat. Without the food that your body needs, it can cause your mental health to deteriorate drastically. So having a balanced diet is what can help you feel better throughout the day. Even if you don't have any of these mental illnesses, it can also affect your cognitive functions. Whether it is malnutrition or obesity, the diet is not healthy and it is causing issues for your brain processes. Mood regulation and stress sensitivity are closely intertwined with your nutrition, and the negative effects only get worse with age, so if it is not acknowledged, then it can only get worse. Which leads us to my last point. I'm going to tell you why it is important for your long-term health. A balanced diet keeps you healthier throughout your lifetime, and an unhealthy diet can lead to metabolic syndrome. Metabolic syndrome is where a lot of diseases occur together. The longer that you are unhealthy, the more you put your body at risk for other diseases. And these chronic diseases require long-term medical care, which puts you at even higher risk, especially now with us living in the pandemic. It can cause a weakened immune system and other health concerns. It is essential for us right now, as young adults, to guarantee our healthy development. This can prevent on chronic diseases, and if you don't develop correctly, if you aren't getting the nutrients that you need. Prevention of the chronic diseases is a lot better than the treatment of them. Concluding this speech, I want to go over what we learned. Having a balanced diet is important for everyone. I hope that I have informed you about why a balanced diet is important. Not only does it affect your physical health, but your mental health as well. Then eventually it can have a negative effect on your overall health and even cause diseases if you aren't cautious. So are you going to start thinking about what you eat now? Or are you going to believe the people that tell you that it doesn't matter? Really, that's up to you. But I think the most important thing that you can take from this is that eating the right food can do a lot more for you than you think, and what you eat does matter.